welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing a review on the Sephora Favorites Holiday Lip Kit. I was scrolling through the website and saw that they had uploaded this. I've never tried any of their little kits before, but I thought it was a really good deal, and I saw some products I had been wanting to try. So I thought I would pick it up and do kind of a little review for you guys, and I'm gonna do swatches and also try them on my lips, do some lip swatches, so that way you guys can kind of get an idea of what the colors and everything in here look like and see if it's something that you would want to pick up. So first of all, this kit comes with 7 different lip colors. 2 of them are full size, and then the others are all like mini or travel size products. Here's a close-up of the kit. It does retail for $45, and then when you open it up here, you can see all of the different lip products you get. So the full-size products in here, the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick retails normally for $34, and the other full-size product, which is the Rare Beauty Gloss, retails for $18. So 34 plus 18 is $52, and you're only paying $45 for the box, so $7 is the difference between that. So you are getting a deal, and you're getting all these little minis for free basically. So I wanted to go ahead and show you guys the different products, so let's get into it. I'm gonna try to go in order, like, so they don't stain my lips so you guys can see what they are. So the different products that are in here, I'm just gonna tell you, are the Charlotte Tilbury full size matte lipstick and pillow talk, the Give Shine high performance satin lipstick and original recipe. We have the NARS Afterglow Lip Shine and Orgasm, and then we have the Pat McGrath matte trance lipstick in Vendetta. We have the Rare Beauty full size vulnerable glossy lip balm in Nearly Neutral, and then we have a Too Faced lip injection extreme lip plumper in Clear, and then an Urban Decay Vice hydrating lipstick in the shade Back Talk. Let's start here with the Rare Beauty. So here is the Rare Beauty gloss. Here is the Nearly Neutral Rare Beauty gloss on my lips. As you can see, it gives you a nice shine, but it is more of that balmy feel. It's like a thicker formula, but not sticky. It just feels like a nice thick lip balm, and I really love this. Like I said, I have another shade in this product already, so I was really excited to get this in the kit. I think it's really good. I really like it. It just gives you a slight wash of color, and it's super comfy, so I actually really love this. Go in with Miss Charlotte Tilbury. So here is the Pillow Talk lipstick, such an iconic and popular shade, and the packaging is just so luxe and pretty. It's a very Your Lips But Better color. I wouldn't normally just buy myself like a $35, $34 lipstick, so it's nice that I'm able to try it, and they included it as like a fun splurge in this kit. So I think this is really pretty. Such a nice shade. It's one I think that most people would love. So this is the NARS Orgasm Mini Gloss. It has like some shimmer to it. This is the kind of lip gloss I would just like throw in my bag and take with me. It's perfect for any occasion. It's like super comfy, has a little shimmer to it, and it just like goes with everything. It's like kind of a little bit of a like nudie coral, but I like it. I think it's really cute. Here is the Too Faced lip injections. I don't know if you can even see the swatch, but tried to swatch it. This one is just clear, and it just has that smell, like, you know, it's the Too Faced lip injections, like, by the smell. It kind of smells like gummy bears or something. And it does have like a iridescent purpley kind of sparkle. This stuff does kind of hurt, but I'm into that, so it doesn't bother me. I like the spicy tingle of it. So some people, it's like way too much and they can't even put this product on, but I'm a fan of it. I really like it. I love the plumpy feel. The Urban Decay Back Talk packaging on this one is a little cheapy, like it's just a really thin plastic, but I mean it is just a mini, so you can't expect anything like too crazy, I feel. So this is more of like a cool tone pink, I think, compared to the others, but it's actually really pretty, and it's super creamy just putting this on, and it kind of had I think a vanilla-y scent, which I enjoy. So I really like this shade. I think it would go with a lot of looks as well. I've never tried the Urban Decay lipstick formula before, but I really enjoyed that. It's super pretty. So this is Give by Miss Gwen Stefani. It's supposed to be a satin formula, so let's see. Sorry if my lip swatches aren't the best. I'm not using like liners or anything. Wow, look at that color. This is giving very much like Christmas. I feel like this is actually such a nice red. It isn't matte, so I mean if you would like kiss or something, you're gonna leave like marks behind. It's not transfer proof, but it is a really pretty shade. Like I can't get over that. Look how gorgeous. It's a very vibrant red, definitely not on like the deep end. It's on like the bam in your face red. But I love a good red lipstick. Like who doesn't? It just gives me like Taylor Swift energy too. Okay, my lips are pretty stained, but I think we are able to do this last one here. Is in the shade Vendetta. You guys, look at this color. It is so pretty. This, okay, I take it back. This one is like true Christmas to me because I do like the deeper reds a little bit more, just like with my skin tone and hair and everything. I mean, they're both gorgeous, but like this one, so good. It has like that matte feel, but it was so creamy and easy to apply. It just glided on my lips literally like butter. It was so easy to put on, and this color payoff is amazing. Like I think this is the best lipstick. I think this is the best red lipstick that I own probably now. Like this is just so gorgeous. It kind of blows some of my MAC ones out of the water, if we're being honest. Like I think that is so pretty. Okay guys, so all in all, I would totally recommend this kit to you guys. I loved every single shade that I tried in here, and I think it is a fantastic like deal, and you could get this for any of like your makeup lover friends for Christmas, sisters, mothers. Like I think it's just such a good kit all around. And even if you wanted to buy this and kind of split it up, you could too, to add, you know, like little minis with different gifts or things like that. Such a awesome little kit that they put together, so I'd highly recommend it to you guys. I think it's really fun and a great way to try out some new lip products. That pretty much wraps up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already. We're almost to 1,000 subscribers, which is so exciting. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one.